Star Reaction. My name is Lianna. Today I'm gonna do popcorn in my toilet. Here is the popcorn and for cheese packet. We're gonna cook for 2 minutes so it stop make sound. Oh. Okay, 2 minutes. Oh, I see the part it move. I see it. When the pop start ready to get out. I cannot finish it already. How are you gonna do? I think it's finished first. Oh, now I have pop a little bit. So to get out or not? I think that. Okay, we need to stop. Not touch the bag, it's gonna be very hot. Wow, the bag's moving! Wait 5 minutes. We need to wait 5 minutes. Now we need to put cheese. Can we cut her pack and open? I think we should open like this. We put it in the bag. Oh. Now we check. I think it is. Yummy. I like it.
Is it so good?
Yeah.
You like it better than the popcorn we eat every time? You like this one? Let's do a taste test and see which one Alec likes, but we're not going to tell him, okay? Alec, look at which one's which, okay? So we're going to put some in this bowl from the bag, and we're going to put some in this bowl from this bag, okay?
Okay.
Try this one first, and then try this one. Which one do you like best, number 1 or number 2?
Number 2.
Number 2? You ate the popcorn from the bag.